Hi everybody, welcome to another Hello Kitty Mini Cafe Series 2. Today we're going to open up 3 capsules, so let's go ahead and jump in and start with the first one. Today we have green, which if any of my veteran Sanrio people are here, then you know it's Mr. Keroppi. So let's go ahead and build his little stand. First, we have a placemat. He looks so happy and excited with all the little hearts around him. Adorable. We also have our Aqua Sun Company pebbles for a fish tank. Let's go ahead and open up our first bag, our utensils. We got a handy dandy green tweezers and a pink and white striped trowel. And wrapped inside of this cute little tissue paper, we have a Keroppi fish bowl. How cute. The top comes off and it looks like he's peeking over. All right, and then in our next little Keroppi bag with a little matcha, we have a Aqua Sun Company, a little fish tank plant. Oh, and we get a frog. Oh no. Oh, save him. Free him, please, somebody. And in our last bag, it's a pink Hello Kitty and Friends. The gang's all there. We have a big jug of fresh H2O. Ooh, it's water for our frog's fish bowl. Fish tank? Frog tank? What do you call it? This is perfect for ponds. Oh, we're basically making him a little pond. A fresh water pond for our little froggy. So let's go ahead and start making our frog bowl. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and open up our pebbles and use the trowel to scoop that on the bottom of the bowl. All right, once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and add our water. And we don't want to fill it up all the way. We just kind of want to fill it up a quarter of the way, just so that the plant and the rocks are under the water. But the froggy is going to be sitting on top. Next, we're going to open up our plant and place that in our bowl. I'm just going to use the tweezers to push it down and create a divot in the pebbles so that it sticks. And then I'm going to add a little bit more water to cover the root of the plant. Once I'm done filling the bowl, I'm going to set the water for 5 to 10 minutes. And here's our frog bowl, halfway done. There were some bubbles that got left in, but I thought that would be fine because it's a little frog tank. There's probably bubbles in a frog tank. And now we're finally gonna release him into his bowl. Take that yucky plastic off him. They only put that on there so that he wouldn't fall and be rattling around. And I'm gonna put a little itty bitty drop of resin on the leaf, and then we're gonna take our frog with our tweezers and place him on the lily pad. set him for 5 to 10 minutes. And then after that, we have a finished frog bowl. Look how cute he is, just sitting there. He is adorable. And here we have it with the little Keroppi on top. You can see his little hands. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. And here we have another Keroppi item, the last Keroppi item. So I'm gonna go ahead and put his little stand together. We have a cute little green Hello Kitty and a green Keroppi table. And we're gonna open up our first bag, which is our handy dandy green tweezers. I think I've said it before, but I really like that this series has different color tweezers. And also in our bag, we have a little Keroppi spoon. I love the spoons of the different characters as well. Adorable. I want them in real life. Next, we have another item wrapped up in paper. Oh, and it's a little serving plate. Oh, it looks like a pond. That is so cute. You could even put the aquarium on there if you wanted to. Oh, and then we have something wrapped in the Hello Kitty tissue paper. Oh, we have a little Keroppi cup and a lily pad tray for it. Oh, how cute. And in our next bag, we have our Rise and Shine matcha tea. Ooh, I like the packaging for this. If I saw this in real life, I'd 100% buy it. And I don't really like matcha. And in our last bag with Mr. Keroppi and his little matcha shake. We have whipped cream with matcha sprinkles. Oh, they're so cute. That's what they look like inside. And we also have, oh, Keroppi sugar cookies. These look really good. I wish I could eat these too. Now that we've opened everything, let's go ahead and make our matcha latte. Step 1, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up our Keroppi cup. I'm gonna leave a little itty bitty bit of space at the top so that we can add more matcha with our whipped cream. And I'm gonna set that for the usual 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the whipped cream so that it's ready. And I'm gonna pour an itty bitty bit more of matcha on the top of the cup. I'm gonna swirl that around so it touches all the edges. And then I'm going to put our matcha whipped cream and set it for 5 to 10 minutes. And after 5 to 10 minutes, our latte is all done. Now, all we have to do is open up our sugar cookies, plate them, and serve. And here we go, our latte and Keroppi sugar cookies. These are so cute. 100% I would eat these. Who wants to go on a brunch date and make Keroppi lattes? Me. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our last item for the video. Oh, it's Hello Kitty. We have one Hello Kitty item. How cute. So let's go ahead and build her stand. And here it is, the classic red and white. Oh, it's so cute. And we have this random piece of tissue paper. We have some labels, it looks like. Oh, I think I know what this is. And then we have the paddle. Oh, we have a Hello Kitty pizza paddle. Let's open up our first bag. It is our utensils. We have a Hello Kitty spoon. And our handy dandy tweezers. Oh, we also get a pizza slicer, a Hello Kitty pizza slicer. Unfortunately, it does not turn, but nonetheless, still cute. All right, let's go ahead and open up our Hello Kitty bag. We have, oh, Tupperware. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a Hello Kitty Tupperware with veggies inside. Oh, maybe this is where you put the labels. Be like, veggies. And we get 2 pizza crusts, yum, from the Sunny Bros. Feeling lazy? Call now. And we have some pepperoni. It looks like there's 2 pepperoni bows in there. And in our last bag, we have, ooh, our cheese for the pizza. Our mozzarella. Let's go ahead and make our mini Hello Kitty pizzas. So I went ahead and opened up the pizza crusts. They're so cute. So they're already sauced. We don't have to sauce our pizzas. They come pre-sauced and they have Hello Kitty's face on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our spoon and just scoop on the cheese. I'm gonna spread the cheese all over the pizza. And here's our second pizza cheesed, ready to go. It's just like a cooking show on Food Network. So I'm gonna go ahead and next open up the veggies, and I'm gonna pick through the pieces to make Hello Kitty's face. So we have 2 black olives for her nose. For her eyes. We have 2 black olives for her eyes. I think that's a yellow pepper for her nose. I'm not sure what other kind of pepper it would be called. And then I think this might be like jalapeno slices, or I don't know, more green peppers. Next, I'm gonna open up our pepperoni, and I'm gonna take one of the bows and place that on the side of the pizza. And voila, we have our Hello Kitty mini pizza. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, place the pepperoni bow, but instead of veggies, this one is just gonna be all pepperoni. Just pepperoni and cheese, a classic. we're gonna go ahead and pop those in the oven and cook them for 5 to 10 minutes. And here we go. We have our 2 finished mini pizzas. They look absolutely delicious. And there we go. We finished all of the Hello Kitty Series 2 mini cafes. I had so much fun building all of these. I love every single item. I honestly don't even know which one's my favorite. They're all really good. Let me know which one was your favorite in the series, which one you guys want. Don't forget to follow me for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!